Loofahs can prove dangerous to your skin because they can be a microbe reservoir, especially if they hang unused for days or even hours without a good rinse. Loofahs have lots of nooks and corners and they are very porous. Hence, when you use a loofah to scrub the dead skin cells, those cells get logged into nooks and corners, which becomes an ideal place for bacterial growth. Now, besides this, dermatologists do not suggest the use of loofahs because they can be harsh on the skin. Scrubbing with loofah should be limited to once or twice a week. Moreover, plastic loofahs can send a microscopic bits of microplastics straight into your shower drain and then into the sewage system. Eventually, it pollutes the ocean, which has been a growing concern of our planet. If you still wish to use loofahs for exfoliation, you should probably follow these steps to prevent bacterial growth. Number 1, rinse the loofah thoroughly after each use. After rinsing, dry it completely to avoid any water retention. Number 2, avoid using a loofah for a few days after shaving your leg to prevent bacteria from entering your skin through any cut or nick. Number 3, never use it on the face or genital area because these areas are quite sensitive.